Before we dive in, I want you to remember one thing. You are capable of more than you think. Now let's begin. Life isn't about the destination, it's about the journey, the moment of struggle, the moment where you question your worth or your abilities. Those are the defining moments. It is in those moments that your true power is revealed. Think about this. The journey of 1,000 miles began with a single step. The first step might feel like a giant leap into the unknown, but it's the most important step you will ever take. Every success story you admire, every person you look up to start just like you with a single step. They made the decision to take that step and they did not look back. But here's the truth, it's not always easy. You will face obstacles, setbacks, and moments of doubt. And in those times, it's important to remember failure is not the opposite of success, it's a part of success. I failed over and over and over again in my life, and that is why I success. Failure is not the end of road, it's simply a lesson on the path to your greatness. So when you hit a roadblock, don't stop. Learn from it, grow from it, and keep moving forward. The key is persistence. The key is consistency. And when you commit to yourself, when you refuse to give up on your dreams, that's when the magic happens. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Every great achievement is a series of small, consistent steps, no matter how challenging the journey may seem. You have got the strength within you to keep going, even when the world might tell you to quit. And one thing I want you to keep in mind as you chase your dream. It's okay to feel uncertain. It's okay to not have everything figured out yet out. The most successful people didn't have all the answer when they started. They figured it out as they went. You do not need to have everything in place to begin, you only need to begin. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. So don't wait. Your future is waiting for you to take action today. Your dreams are waiting for you to step up. Every moment you hesitate is a moment lost, but every step you take brings you closer to your goal. And remember, success is not just about the big wins, it's about the small victories along the way. Every like, every share, every comment, every step toward your goal counts. Celebrate your progress and know that even the smallest achievement brings you closer to the big one. As we wrap up, I want to leave you with this. You are powerful. You are capable of achieving more than you ever thought possible. When you look at yourself in the mirror, remember this. You have everything you need to success already within you. The road ahead might be tough at times, but remember, it always darkest before the dawn. Keep pushing, keep striving, and never forget that you are not alone in the journey. You are all in this together, and I believe in you. So take action today. Take that first step, start now. And before you go, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because we are building something special here. We are building a community of dreamers, doers, and achievers. Together we can unlock our potential and achieve greatness. Thank you for being here. Keep shining, keep believing, and keep moving forward. Your life does not get better by chance, it gets better by change. See you in the next video. Thanks. Thank you very much.